शङ्करो नरकाय कुलघ्नानां कुलस्य च पतन्तपित्रो ह्यश्यां लुप्तपिण्डोदक्रिया. Arjun continues and still tries to justify as to why war should be avoided this moment, as it not only affects the individual or death and destruction, but the impurity in the family leads to the hell. Where there is impurity in blood, their last rites like Shraddh, which is paying tribute to the ancestor, and Tarpan, paying water to for their peace, etc., are not performed, due to which even our forefathers fall into hells. Sorry. As stated in the previous verse interpretation with reference to the asset discovery and infections, the current verse can be interpreted in continuation. When an asset is compromised through war quality payloads and malwares, it becomes difficult to identify such attacks surfaced during war, and latent malwares infected are difficult to detect, leading to destruction, degradation, denial, and disruption of services at a later date or even then. Also, maintenance of the system becomes difficult as over time it disallows other systems to upgrade or even perform health checks of the system. Thus, when an infection enters into the system during war, gradually it spreads to other systems and the entire ecosystem is exposed to risk, and hybrid warfare is no exception to it.